Greetings to you, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss you one interesting problem which is from coordinate and axis. Here they have given the problem based on the ratio, my dear students. This is very easy problem. Just you have to know the procedure and the formula to proceed this sum. Okay, my dear students, let's continue this problem. Whenever the sum they are asking from coordinate of axis or trigonometry, try to figure out that figure, my dear friends, because once you find the figure means it is very easy for you to finish the problem, to understand the problem. So first what they have given means find the coordinate of the point R which divide the joint of the points P of 0 comma 0 comma 0, which means this is 3 dimension. Here we can't draw 3 dimension because we have only 2D paper. From 2D paper, 3D picture is quite impossible. Some drawings are there, you can search in YouTube, and so many drawings, so many people have done, but for that measurement everything is there. But for plotting it is quite difficult, my dear students. That is the axis which comes to you actually, that pointing towards you, like that you have to imagine. So I am going to draw here as it is a 2D dimension. So I am taking a line which is P they have mentioned, and Q also they have mentioned, and P which is the origin. For example, think about P here and might be Q here, and we have to find the midpoint. Midpoint in the sense from here or here, the 2 points have to be the midpoint. That's what they have asked. So P Q. Now they are asking R is the point which divides externally. So the point R which is here, I am going to connect this one. Okay, my dear students. So R only we are going to say, and they said which is dividing in 1:2 ratio. They have given everything, my dear students. Now we have to find whether P is the midpoint of R and Q or not. How we can find? They have mentioned 4 minus 1 minus 2 here, and they said which is 0 comma 0 comma 0 here. So if the point is minus 4 comma 1 comma 2 at the another side of origin, which is a negative side, means which is this is the midpoint. So we are going to find whether the point R is going to be this point. So to find the R, we have some formulas. Let me discuss that formulas, my dear friends. So P of x comma y comma z, and let me take this as 1, x1 y1 z1, and q of x2 y2 z2 externally, or dividing externally in the ratio of 1:2. Okay, my dear students. So now we are going to find, and we know the point P which is 0 comma 0 comma 0, and Q which is 4 comma minus 1 comma minus 2. Okay, now we have to go further proceed by we know the formula to find the third point, which is that R. So first let me take x. To find x, we know the formula, my dear friends, m x2 minus n x1 divided by m minus n. Here we are using minus because of the point is dividing, the ratio is dividing in externally. Because of this externally only we are using this, my dear friends, minus. If it is dividing internally means we use plus. And for m, let's solve this one. M x2, which means m means here 1. From here we are getting, my dear friends, m is to n, which means m is equal to 1, n is equals to 2. 1 into x2 which is 4 minus 2 into 0 divided by m minus n, which is 1 minus 2. So I'll get the answer 4 divided by minus 1, which is minus 4. Then y is equals to m y2 minus n y1 divided by m minus n. So m y2, which means m is 1, y2 which means minus 1. Am I right, my dear friends? I think I'm going on correct way only. Yes, minus 1. If I make any mistakes, you are welcome to correct me, my dear students. I am also human, right? The same way 1 minus 2. So the final answer is minus 1 and here 0. So minus 1 divided by minus 1, which is equals to 1. And the third sum, which is z which is equals to m z2 minus m is z1 divided by m minus n. So m here already we know n, and z2 means minus 2, then minus 2 into 0 divided by 1 minus 2, which is that minus 2 divided by minus 1, we will get 2. I hope you understood, my dear friends. So we got r is equal to minus 4 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, I hope you understood, my dear friends. Already I said before, the point in this P is the origin 0 comma 0, and already we know Q is 4 comma minus 1 comma minus 2. So if I get 4 comma minus 4 comma 1 comma 2, P is going to be the midpoint. So here we are getting that. So P is the midpoint and we have proved. I hope you understood this problem, my dear friends. If you have any problem, any queries, please don't have hesitate to ask me. Just ask me in comment section. I am ready to give a reply.